Building your dream home at the Pines Palmwoods will soon be a reality. Construction is nearing completion and blocks will be ready to be built on in early 2021. As recently announced, the Home Builder program will be extended to the 31st of March 2021, giving buyers greater opportunity to take advantage of this grant. Site works are progressing at a rapid rate, with curbing and channeling, underground electrical and piping, footpaths, retaining walls and roads all nearing completion. Soil tests will also be provided, making it easier and quicker to get a build contract. We can't wait to see the first homes take shape here at the Pines Palmwoods, which is just a short walk to the vibrant village centre. With less than 20 blocks remaining and with a shortage of land on the Sunshine Coast, now is the time to put your roots down at the Pines Palmwoods. Contact us today for your on-site tour.